You say obi to phone kwa na say selfie camera anymore on top. Unless it be a feature phone Nokia 3310 Samsung phone ketwana bana these days from yam say yam be na wo to dia na selfie camera anymore no problem but any big phone be obi ekoto be no make sure say selfie camera cry no e bitimi ayefe na anshase this way mo kaya brebe twem say na companies phone a on be try so be ja ekwan kese wo phone no so say be ya omode omo sensors ni be go na selfie camera ne ka ho na sa space na friend bezel baby a screen ni si no pem baby a phone na no ni si no and friend the bezel of the smartphone and this bezel na was so no na selfie cameras share earpiece and so infrared sensors are there or even Apple for crown facial recognition sensors ni nyina na that bezels ni we no front so LED light a wo charge your phone na asono so no no na sa sensors nyina egu na as time went on no try say ye ma bezels na aye smaller as possible na company di kan a make a very bold step Apple in 2017 release the iPhone 10 no na twitwa bezels ni be free man car space kakra bia selfie camera facial recognition sensors any other few sensors na ka no ho before then no na phones nyina obi no phone no make sure say so no cover but Apple break that and obi started say earphones twitwa so no kakra frame made me larger screen answer na beto aso many pages or subscribe to my YouTube channel nyakopon show and since then cameras be brave aba ya benya the rotating camera was found in the Samsung A80 the slide up camera so by no Oppo for na in normal device the Find X from the slide up camera a lot of camera options so by na nyina ne say omo pese yet me have 100% of our screen abra camera no any senses na no into me ANC bibia ho kwan and mostly na camera no kwa na problem no and at the time the punch hole camera concept came up no among be G2 mu na Samsung for a year Huawei for a year Lenovo every company no mo phones na try say almost be the punch hole camera and say phone ni no obehu tokroki tu bi edem a eno na ye just for the selfie camera no na space na kan nyina ebe screen etimi amame no use and everybody was just experimenting with kwanya betimi afa so nya 100% screen and no bezels till say ZTE another Chinese company a solution buy the ZTE Exxon 25G a device 100% screen no bezels. And this time around, nya technology bia yetumi de camera de share so friend under display camera. Now the under display camera no share screen echi. Any time or person will take a selfie camera bia no o swap the selfie side na so automatically picture abeda so we nima abeda so but who say camera bi ewo screen no any. Yet said the Galaxy Note 20 na last year Samsung for release year no na sa under display technology na ebi ya bem e some news items buy na chese nka Samsung for person omode sa feature de ba omo Galaxy Note 20 no but into me amaso e ZTE abe the first company omo release and some of the device aba e what the under display camera though the under display camera so share screen ni kakrebo bonse camera mark no wo kitu abi enini e black a won shede hu but say enini e white a wo say sa fainted no e we chiri sa but still I think say a very nice technology on the aba and other companies will also start developing concepts around it. Device and specs no either a 6 or 8 gig RAM or between 128 internal memory and also 256 cameras near 4 the main one is 64 the main sensor is 64 megapixel Samsung front facing camera and also the battery near around 4200 milliampere hour and the specs and shade in this rupee say a bit BT other flagships near war system no but I think say the main feature until we release it for no the under display camera na no so be obi able say they are the first company release device under display camera. What do you say FSR technology ho ma me ho adwenche the comment section no try to subscribe to my YouTube channel ne follow me on all social media handles me link ni nyina description section ho yakopon share send or share bye bye.